fast.
What do I have to do? What do I have to do? Hello my happy faces and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. I hope you are staying safe, staying at home and basically having a good time. If you see, who do I have with me? I have Aparna. Hi Aparna.
Hi.
So basically Aparna has a really awesome YouTube and Instagram page. Follow her there, subscribe to her videos. She does really good, like she's like a lipstick swatch queen in my language. So hi Aparna, welcome to my channel.
Thank you so much. I'm so excited. Riddhi and me have been wanting to do this for so long. And we finally, figured it out and we're going to do this. This is going to be so exciting.
Even though we can't meet virtually, in fact हम लोग बहुत टाइम से सोच रहे थे कि कुछ कोलैब करेंगे, but she is in Mumbai, I am in Delhi. फिजिकली हम नहीं मिल पाए and quarantine एक ऐसा टाइम है जिसमें हमें लगा कि हाँ हम ऐसे वीडियो शूट कर सकते हैं. टेक्नोलॉजी इज कमिंग टू प्ले.
Basically make the best of whatever life is offering us,
Actually feeling that you are sitting right beside me.
We are also on Zoom while we are recording this. So, when you eventually see it, we will be together, right? You will get the experience like we're together.
So what's going to be today's video about?
Riddhi, this is going to be a really exciting video because what we've thought is that, we want to do a fun challenge and this is going to
It's
be
going to be makeup.
a makeup challenge, and it's going to be a 10-minute makeup challenge. It's going to be more fun because we're going to be doing it at the same time, and it's not a natural look. It's not a chalta phirta, makeup look. We are going to try and do a full-on glam makeup.
Glam makeup.
In 10 minutes. I think it's a tough task we have chosen.
What if हम बाहर पार्टी करने नहीं जा सकते? हम ऐसा मेकअप करने वाले हैं जो बिल्कुल full party वाला makeup. At least we're going to try in 10 minutes.
We've got all our products ready. Yeah, Riddhi, you also have all the products ready. What you need.
Everything in front of me.
Yeah, so all our products are ready, and I've also, I don't know if you did that, I also wet my sponge and I kept that ready. Have you done that?
Yes.
Okay, great.
I am putting the timer on 10 minutes. Should we begin?
Yeah. Oh gosh.
Let's get started.
Tell me.
Okay, what do I do first?
Have you started?
It's, yeah. Primer. So बताते जाओ साथ साथ आप क्या
Okay,
use
I'm putting
कर
the
रहे हो.
primer now. This is the Faces primer.
And I am putting the primer which is by Sugar. This is the, I think, pore minimizer primer.
I'm using the Tarte Shape concealer.
Oh, you are on the concealer already. I am using this Maybelline Age Rewind concealer.
This is for the under eye. Oh shit. I'm going to use both my fingers.
Actually, time से ना जबरदस्ती का stress हो जाता है. मैं generally इतना ही time लगता है, but let's see आज क्या होता है. I should have done my eyes first though.
Yeah, I also after I applied the concealer, I was wondering कि अरे यार पहले वो कर सकती थी मैं.
I saw you applying the concealer, so I thought यार भी concealer भी लगा लेती हूँ.
Okay, I'm gonna dab it with the sponge.
I feel my sponge is not damp anymore.
If you have a fixing spray or something, just
Oh yeah, I do.
use that.
I have.
Okay, now for I'm going to do my eyeshadow first. So I'm going with the PAC eye base for that on top.
This is not working. My I don't know what's wrong with this. Okay, I am going to move to my eyes, and how are we doing with time? Let's just see. 8.5 minutes remaining. Okay, I'm moving to my eyes, and I am thinking of doing like dark, like something bold with my eyes.
Oh, okay. What color are you wearing?
So
You're
I'm
wearing a
thinking
red
this-
top. Okay.
I'm wearing a red, so I'm using this बड़ी सारी मैं 3 palettes लेकर आई हूँ अपने साथ.
ताकि मैं डिसाइड कर सकूं. मेरे पास तो बहुत वक्त है. वैसे मैं सोच सकती हूँ तभी क्या करना है.
Actually, I'm really bad at doing eye makeup. मुझे ऐसा लगता है, मतलब मेरा eye makeup बहुत ही, I'm not a pro at it.
So I'm using this Huda Beauty. What is this? Warm brown. Oh, I have this eyeshadow here. I will just set it. अरे यार मेरा वो मिरर से मैंने स्टिकर भी नहीं निकाला इसमें से. I'll try and do that now. How much time left?
7.5. What takes you the longest for your makeup? What takes you the longest
Eyeshadow.
for your makeup? Eyeshadow only?
Yeah. Nothing as long
Okay,
as
I'm
the
going to use a
eyeshadow.
little bit of this black color from this palette, just for some smokiness.
Which palette are you using finally of all three?
I'm using a mix of all the palettes. And also I forgot to set my concealer. मैं सोचा था मैं bake कर लूँगी concealer लगाने के बाद थोड़ा सा powder लगा लूँगी.
हाँ सेट तो मैंने भी नहीं किया वैसे. I just moved. I should not have put my concealer at all. वो मैंने
I know.
in a rush
Me
ना
too.
फटाफट करने के चक्कर में कर दिया.
Okay, I'm thinking I'm almost done with the eyes. मतलब मैं और कुछ इतना कुछ major तो नहीं करती. I'm looking like a ghost right now.
Okay. We'll have to zoom in and show them what we are up to. Arey yaar, I want to do some fun stuff on my eye.
Okay, so I am using the MAC foundation all over my face.
Okay, I'm using this pack. I don't know what is it, sir?
I can hear the birds chirping at your end, yeah. So good.
Yeah, you can hear now. It's so beautiful.
I know. The blue sky, matlab, there are
Hey, you
ups and
already
downs.
moved on from your eyes.
I am on my foundation.
Wow.
But अभी मेरी eyes complete नहीं है, मैं बाद में करूँगी वो.
Okay.
मैं मतलब मेरा मेकअप बहुत ही रैंडम होता है, जो मुझे समझ आता है मैं कुछ भी करती रहती हूँ. But you know, like waking up in the morning and seeing the blue sky is such a sight here in Delhi.
हाँ, you
And it
guys have a lot of
feels so
smog,
nice.
right?
Yeah, the pollution is bad. How's it there?
Well, यहाँ पे मैं जहाँ रहती हूँ वहाँ मुझे इतना pollution नहीं feel होता है, but I can definitely say that the sound that has reduced is very welcome.
हाँ.
इतना शांत है अभी जो कि नहीं होता normally. I'm taking a dark brown. यार कितना टाइम बचा है, मैं तो सिर्फ आंख करती रह जाऊंगी.
Shit, मेरा टाइम तो मैं भूल ही गई. 4.5 मिनट. I totally forgot about the time.
मैंने
Oh my
तो
God.
क्या क्या रखा
I'm
हुआ है,
gonna
मस्कारा
search.
रखा हुआ है निकाल के, क्या क्या करने के लिए रखा हुआ है.
MAC Studio Fix, okay, to just set my face. Okay, अब तो बहुत काम चला होने वाला है देखो, क्योंकि मेरे को टाइम का ऑनेस्टली बिल्कुल ध्यान नहीं रहा.
देखा 10 मिनट कितना कम पड़ रहा है अभी.
Oh no, अब लग रहा है. Shit. I am so scared I'll drop things. मेरा foundation ना गिर जाए नीचे.
Move fast.
What do I have to do? Eyebrows. Oh shit, where is my eyebrow का thing? I can't find stuff only.
What a mess. अरे मैं सामने दिख रहा हूँ तो कैमरे में भी तो दिखना चाहिए ना what I'm doing.
हाँ?
I'm like looking at the mirror wherever I can and doing this.
I am doing my eyebrows right now. बहुत ही काम चलाऊ.
कितना मिनट बचा है अभी?
Oh fish. I think 3.5.
हैं?
3.5 minute. Oh. My eyebrows are a mess. Mess is an understatement. My things are falling.
I've also made like I don't know. I can't फटाफट find stuff now. Wow.
Okay,
now
I'm
where is my
moving to my
smudger brush?
bronzer.
My most beloved smudger brush.
I am moving to my bronzer. My eye makeup is a mess, by the way. It's really bad. Okay, blush.
Okay, I think I should just
Blush.
move to the face now. I've done something to the eye.
Are you still on your eyes or what?
Yeah, I'm still. That's what I'm saying. I haven't moved. I was trying to do some smoky shit. Okay, now फटाफट.
Fatafat. Okay, I'm moving to my highlighter, which I love. This one absolutely. जब मुझे ना अपने बेस में टाइम लगता है तो आई थिंक इसलिए मैंने फटाफट कर लिया आईज इतना.
नहीं मैंने आईलाइनर भी लगाया. मैंने पैक का कोल पेंसिल लेके जैसे मैं करती हूँ
वाओ.
वो भी किया.
That
but
reminds me,
I
काजल.
would have liked to do more of it. अरे इतना फटाफट थोड़ी मैं करती हूँ. I take a lot of time for my base.
140 seconds remaining.
अरे यार. That is too less. This is all your fault. मैंने बोला था 15 minutes करते हैं.
I was saying 5 minutes.
हाँ हो गया. 5 minutes में बस काजल लगाओ.
Okay, I have moved to my mascara.
Okay, I'm moving to my powder to just set this all up. अरे कितना वक्त बचा है?
I missed. 114.
ये कैसा ग्लैमरस लुक है भाई?
हाँ?
कैसा ग्लैमरस लुक है ये?
ये जुगाड़ू ग्लैमरस लुक है.
पहले लिपस्टिक लगा ली.
Okay, what else? What else? My lipstick. Where is my lipstick? Shit. Where's my lipstick? Where's my lipstick? God, I can't find stuff only. Okay, क्या बोल रही हूँ? I'm going to use the Smashbox lipstick. What's the shade? I don't know.
वाह ऊपर से तुम शेड डिस्क्रिप्शन भी दे रही हो.
Okay, I think something is missing with my look. What? 30 seconds आप
अरे यार.
हाइलाइटर को थोड़ा सा.
Okay, I have this palette which is like one in all. I'm gonna just.
Oh, I have my earrings also. I got my earrings also to wear.
In this 10 minutes you had to wear that. हैं?
8 seconds. 8 seconds.
हैं? What? What rubbish is that?
Time now. It's done.
Time up. अरे ये क्या हो गया?
Time is up. Time is up.
अरे यार. अच्छा लिपस्टिक तो मैंने लगा दिया था एटलीस्ट. बट ये क्या है? I feel like so.
Lipstick लगा लिया ना?
So nude in the eye. Like I feel so like undone. You are looking your eyes. Some smoky thing you have done.
I have done some kind of smokiness and then I went for a really nude lip.
हाँ, because I realized कि मैं red lip लगा देती हूँ और कुछ नहीं तो भी that will add to the glam quotient. मैंने end में थोड़ा सा जल्दी से blush लगाया. I think we should zoom in and show our कला.
So this is what we have achieved. This is what we have achieved in 10 minutes. I think we look pretty glam. Not that glam, but at least glam in terms of what we feel.
I wouldn't step out of the house like this. If I had just done the lipstick, it would have been okay. There's so much left.
But
there's no
what's your
mascara.
lipstick?
There's no eyeshadow blending. The blush can't even be seen. There is no, the contouring is not done. It's like, I think I took forever for the
I managed to do all the steps, by the way. So guys, this was what we could achieve in 10 minutes. This is our glam makeup look. कैसा लगा नीचे comment section में जरूर बताना. We would love to hear from you guys. And हम दोनों के channel को subscribe करो. Notification घंटी भी दबाते जाना जब जाओगे. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.
Thanks Riddhi. All you guys have to just hop over to my channel, which is Joy Geeks.
And thank you so much for watching. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Thank you, Aparna.
Thank you.
Bye bye.